Hi, this is Tammy Offner with the Business Critical SharePoint program. I'm here today with Rico Ho from CRN Solutions. Rico, thanks so much for being here.
Thank you. It's an honor to be here.
Yeah, it's great. So let's talk a little bit about the solution that you implemented for the University of Nottingham. It's one of the largest and oldest British public research universities. So what was the type of implementation that you did, and what did your solution do for the university?
That's an excellent question. As an institution that's steeped in tradition, they have a whole series of different data sitting in Oracle database, SQL database, and all kinds of even Excel lists. So one of the key things that they have is SharePoint portal, which is their standard in their university. And being the best place to surface all this business data. However, their team are not pure development. They are more of system admin. So they were looking for a tool that made all the difference. And what happened was that Webparts360 gave them this unified model that allows them to connect this data seamlessly into SharePoint and allow them to use it as if it was natively in SharePoint.
That's great. So it looks like you helped them increase productivity on gathering information by 50%. So how did you do that?
Well, whenever you automate any business processes, be it manual or email, Excel, it's easy to get productivity. But the real story behind this productivity is about empowerment. Now, how do you measure between not able and able? And that is the key question. Right now, we have business analysts who are using the tool to build applications. They are building applications like their research portal, connecting to external data sources. They are building a 3D library that helps students find physically in a library which floor, which shelf, the things. So they're actually doing amazing stuff on their own.
That's great. And so for you personally, what was the most rewarding part of this particular solution?
I guess it's all about the joy of being able to help people make a change in their life, rather than being sort of like stagnated by technology complexities. They can now use almost like Lego blocks to just put together solutions that many would require skilled developers to do something. In fact, they started a center of excellence where they have actually trained administrating clerks to automate their business processes, do campus management and others process arrival system that makes it so much more effective for them.
So basically, you made a difference for people. That's good. So do you plan to implement other solutions like this in other universities?
Oh, in fact, immediately after this, I'm actually doing a training for Georgia Technology Institute.
Oh, that's great.
And they actually have adopted our technology. And even before we finish the training, they have already completed a solution. So I got to come up with new and more advanced stuff to teach them how to do more fantastic stuff on SharePoint.
Well, that's a good problem to have, Rico.
Yeah.
So can you tell us a little bit about how we can learn more about the work that you're doing?
Webparts360 we have an online solution, and you can just log in as build.webparts360.com. But more importantly about our solution is that because we have a framework, every one of this solution that our customer has built will run on 2013. They need not worry about upgrade or technology. In fact, we have been doing this since SharePoint 2.07.
So you guys are pretty experienced.
Yes, we have been helping our customers to overcome all the challenges with the technical complexity of SharePoint.
Well, it sounds like you're doing great work, Rico, so we really appreciate you being here today. This is Tammy Offner with the Business Critical SharePoint team. Visit sharepoint.com/BCSP to learn more.
Thank you.